Okay friends, welcome back. In this session we are going to learn about income statement. What is an income statement? The income statement is a financial statement which tells about the financial performance of a company. It indicates how the company has performed over a period of time. There are two parts in a financial statement, namely performance and the period of time. This is the objective of the income statement. There are two important parts. Performance. To review the performance, we should see whether the company has performed well in terms of performance, whether it has made profit, whether it has incurred a loss, whether the revenue is more than the cost, or the cost is more than the revenue. Of course, a happy situation will be if the revenue is more than the cost, and a sad situation will be if the cost is more than the revenue. This is what the income statement talks about. The income statement is also called the profit and loss account. In some countries, it is called the profit and loss account, whereas in others, it is only called the income statement. Period of time. Now, the second important point is the period of time. It is a very interesting point. What is it all about? Let us say that the financial year starts on the 1st of January and it ends on the 31st of December. Basically, the income statement is a full period, where the income statement is prepared from the 1st of January to the 31st of December. We can make the income statement from 1 year. The balance sheet is made on the 31st of December. This is the difference. The income statement is for the full year, while the balance sheet is made on that particular date. In the income statement, we can review the amount of revenue generated and the amount of cost. These are two important components, and I will explain these in detail in a later stage. However, let me give you a broad idea of these concepts. Revenue implies to the amount of income generated by selling goods and services, or by providing services. When we are providing any services, it refers to the airline business, where we provide services to the people for flying from one location to the other. This is a service. Let us assume that we are giving consulting services and charge $10,000. Therefore, the revenue is $10,000. What are the expenses? Expenses are basically a kind of outflow from the business, which are required to meet the revenue. For example, let us say that we are in the water bottling business and we need money to purify and package the water. These are the expenses, which are basically incurred with regard to the creation of water bottles for selling to the clients. Basically, there are two parts. One is revenue and the other is cost. I hope you've enjoyed this session, friends, and I will see you soon in the next video. In the next video, I will explain to you the different types of income statement and the difference between revenue and cost. In case you have any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to send us an email or connect with us. Thank you, friends, and have a nice day.